Good evening, Philippines. This is Mike Padua once again, returning to our tropical weather analysis. And this is the special coverage on Tropical Depression Carina for today, Monday evening, July 13th, 2020. And this is brought to you by Typhoon2000.com, the Philippines' first website on tropical cyclone. The issuance of this special coverage is due to the presence of a new tropical depression, but this is a weak one and is now moving closer towards the Balintang Channel. And here's the latest fast animation. As you can see, the mid-level cloudiness of this system is being pushed away towards the west by the strong upper-level winds. That's why only the exposed low-level circulation has been left by this tropical system. And as we show you further this weather system using the windy.com infrared satellite animation, we can observe right now that the thick rain bands with lots of thunderstorms across extreme northern and northern Luzon has begun to emerge over the West Philippine Sea, west of Lawag. And there could be some improvement of the weather beginning tomorrow as the center of this system moving towards Korea and Japan. And as we look at our graph set for today, Monday until tomorrow, Tuesday, you can see Carina now here near the coast of northern Cagayan, and we have the trough or the extension associated with this tropical depression, so lots of rains and thunderstorms all throughout the island of Luzon. And also we have here two weak low pressure areas which is moving towards the west, but as we look at our fast animation, it began to dissipate somewhat, but we are going to observe that in the coming days for possible development. And as we look at our rain forecast for tomorrow, still the same thunderstorm, localized thunderstorm all throughout the country. And you can see here that the cloudiness generated by tropical depression Carina has begun to completely dissipate. This is for this for forecast for tomorrow, but if you look today, you can see the thick rain bands of that tropical depression. So tomorrow there could be some improvement of the weather conditions in some parts of Luzon. Now we already issued the first Typhoon2000.ph Tropical Depression Carina Advisory number 1. The address is Typhoon2000.ph/TC updates, and it will be also posted at our Facebook pages and Twitter pages. So these are track and our updates. This is advisory number 1. So that's the question and answers on where the storm or the depression is going from our new tropical cyclone page at Typhoon2000.com, Typhoon2000.ph, and mybagyo.com. Okay, so far that's the latest, the quick one on the approaching tropical depression. It's not somewhat life-threatening, but it will give amounts of rainfall across the extreme northern Luzon. So until tomorrow, we'll be returning again. Since this is a special coverage, we issue it every day. So tomorrow afternoon or evening, we'll be returning again to give you more tropical cyclone special coverage on TD Carina. From Typhoon 2000, this is Mike Padua reporting. Good night to all. Stay safe always. Be #WeatherWiser. Be #TyphoonWiser. And thank you for watching our YouTube channel.